Okay, very quick video because I could not find one online on YouTube or anything, and it took me forever to read the forums and figure out what's wrong. This is a Yanmar Cub Cadet sc2450. I suddenly lost reverse. I have forward and all the other hydraulics. After reading the forums, they talked about the reverse check valve breaking or falling apart or getting stuck. So after extensive fiddling with this, I've discovered where it is. So this is the seat. Underneath the seat, you have these two valves right here. The ones are actually already out of the hole. On top of those are the relief plate. This right here was in here. On top of that, this is the plate you use when you want to push it by hand. So you have to remove that plate, and then you access these two valves. This one that's out of there is actually shorter. It's right against the top of the block. This one sticks up more. This is the reverse check valve that they're talking about. If you look, this is the new valve. It's a two-part valve. This sits down inside with the ball facing up, and then this screws in to the block on top of that. This is the old one. This is the problem. These valves, they had a problem during manufacturing with these valves. They blow apart, and all these parts drop down into the hole and do not really let enough fluid go through. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew this out of the block, reach down in there, pull this out, then take a magnet such as this and get all these parts, the ball, the spring, the post, and the end cap that were pressed into the top of this, like the new one right there. And this is Yanmar part number 1, A as in Adam, 7050-24991. Cost me about 150 bucks. But that is the problem if your Yanmar sc2450 has forward but no reverse and all the other hydraulics on it work.